Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video I am going to show you how I do a cute little curly bun on the top of my head. That's why I left some space here in the video, because if not, my bun would be all the way cut off. So I especially wanted to do this hairstyle today because I'm on day 5 hair, and you know, day 5 hair, your hair is a lot more frizzier, so I'm gonna do that. But before I get into that, yes, you heard me right, day 5 hair. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw on my stories and you saw my posts about the hair mask that I used this week, the avocado hair mask, and I love it. First of all, I cannot believe that I made it to day 5 hair. And yes, it's frizzy. If I really wanted to keep my hair out today, all I would have to do is refresh it and it would be good. Like, I am so impressed with the volume that I still have. I still have some type of definition. So if you have not heard of the avocado hair mask, I'm gonna leave the link below. So for the whole month of May, I'm partnering with Bell Bar Organic, and they are giving my followers 10% off, but it's only during the month of May. So I'm leaving the link below in the description box if you're interested in getting your own mask. It's really great, and I am thoroughly impressed. The only reason why I'm not leaving my hair out today is because it's hot, and I just wanted to put my hair up and wear these cute earrings. I don't know if it's just me, but it's a curly girl problem for real. When you want to wear cute dangly earrings, but your hair just covers it. Like, if I leave my hair out, you can barely see my earrings. So sometimes I like to wear cute little hairstyles, and I wait till, like, you know, day 4 hair, day 5 hair, if I make it that far, to put my hair up. So let's get started. So usually when I put my hair up in a bun, I like to leave leave-in conditioner in it, because by this time, if I'm putting my hair up, like I said, it's day 4, day 5 hair, so usually my hair is a little more dry. So if I'm gonna keep it up in a bun for a day, maybe even 2 if I don't feel like washing it, then I wanna have something in my hair moisturizing it while it's up. So today I'm gonna be using Elaine Hair and Body's leave-in conditioner, and this is for low porosity hair and it's protein free. I don't have low porosity hair, but I like this leave-in. So I'm gonna spray it all over my hair. It's really light, it's a fine mist. It has a really nice light scent, and it moisturizes my hair again really lightly. As you can see, the spray is really fine, and I did say that my hair is not low porosity, so if you're wondering, I took an online test before about my hair, and it said I'm probably medium porosity. Before I dyed my hair, I was low porosity, but now that I lightened it, you know, obviously that kind of dries out your hair. So my hair is like medium to high porosity. So I didn't drench my hair or anything with the leave-in conditioner spray. It's just very slightly damp. As you saw, it's a very light mist. So my hair is still very dry, and you want it to be dry when you're doing this bun, because when it's wet, the hair kind of doesn't curl or sit like it should. So yeah. Okay, so now that's in my hair. I already laid down my edges, by the way. If you haven't seen my video on how I do that, be sure to watch it. So I have my hair ties, I have 2. So I'm going to put my hair up. Usually I don't like to do like the slick hair down here. I kind of just leave my hair as is, like curly, and I just with my hands smooth it upwards. And this is important. If you have curls on the side, leave them out. I think they're so cute. So usually if the hair right here is not curling, I'll just add a little bit of water to it and they curl right up. So I like to leave these out when I'm doing a bun. So I'm gonna use one hair tie to tie a ponytail. See, this would look cute right here if I just left it as a high ponytail, so you could do that. But today I'm going for the bun look. Okay, so for this messy curly bun, I do like my curls to somehow stick out of the bun. So I don't like doing the typical bun where you like twist it and then wrap it around. I want my curls to show. Like usually when, you know, it's day 4, 5, 6 hair, whatever, our curls are stretched, but they're still kind of living on the ends. So we're gonna use that. So all the curls are popping here at the ends, looking real cute. So I'm gonna grab some hair. You see the ponytails here? I'm gonna grab a little bit of hair, squeeze down, and make it enough space for me to wrap another hair tie around so that it's a tiny bun down there. And now I'm just going to fluff out the hair here. And now what I'm gonna do is take some curls from the very back layer and put it over the bun so that it's covering, and bobby pin it down. So you just keep playing with it until you get the curls to fall where you like. So you can leave them like this with the curls cascading downwards, or if your hair is very long or if you just don't like that look, you can bring these sides inward and bobby pin them down. So I'm gonna do that. And guys, this is just the perfect style when you don't want your hair in your face, but you still want your curls to come through, you know what I mean? Like sometimes I wear buns and I miss my curls, but it's just so hot outside that you can't deal with them. So this style helps you still have your curls, but you just don't gotta deal with them all in your face. It's great. I like using these bobby pins. I got them from CVS. They're like a light brown color and they match my hair. So it's cool because you can't even see them. And if you want to cover the ponytail section in the back, just take, you know, hair from the back part of your bun, bring it back and pin it down. And nobody will be able to tell. And now if you have any flyaways, you can just spray them down with a hairspray. I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner. And if you have really stubborn flyaways, then you can just use this Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste and it will hold your hairs down. So I'm adding a little bit of that to my toothbrush here. I'm not doing it too sleek down here in the front, just lightly brushing it back. But you can do it really tight if that's how you want to do it. So this is my super easy, messy, curly bun look. It's very necessary for the summertime because nobody wants their hair all up on their neck or all up in their face when it's really hot and you're sweating. Ugh. And another plus side is I get to wear my cute dangly earrings and they're actually visible. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.